Hi and welcome to the how-to guide brought to you by Netangel. In this episode we're going to talk you through how to create a child's account with Nintendo for use with your child's Nintendo Switch. Once created, you can add their account to their Nintendo Switch, where you can set the relevant parental controls, allowing you to look after your child's digital well-being. Using your desired internet browser, navigate to accounts.nintendo.com. You're now presented with a login screen. As a prerequisite and before you continue, you'd need to make sure that you've set up your own account with Nintendo. You can also sign in with pre-existing Facebook, Google, Twitter and Apple accounts. If you don't have any of these, you can simply create an account by selecting Create a Nintendo Account. As I've already got a pre-existing account, I'm going to go ahead and log on using my email address and my password. Select Sign In to continue. You're now presented with your user information dashboard. This gives you a summary of all your user information, including your linked accounts. To continue, select Family Group. Your family group will now be presented. These include your family members. Select Add a Member to add the new member of your family. You can invite existing Nintendo account holders to join your family group. You can also start a family group when you create a child's account. A child account is an account which allows children to safely use Nintendo account services provided by Nintendo. Parents and guardians can use the parental controls to apply restrictions on certain activities of the child's account. Select Create a Child Account to continue. You're now required to enter some information regarding your child. This includes entering your child's Nintendo nickname, your child's sign-in ID, child's password, and your child's date of birth. Go ahead and enter all the relevant information for your child's account. As you can see on the date of birth, you are unable to change the date of birth once this has been set. Once you've entered all the details and to continue to the next stage, you need to tick the box to accept the terms and agreements and policies on behalf of your child. As always, we would always recommend to read the Nintendo account agreement and the Nintendo account privacy policy. Select Submit to continue. You've now set up your child's account. Please make sure you share the sign-in ID and the password with the child that will be using your account. And don't forget to store this information. Select OK to continue. You are now returned to your family group dashboard, and as you can see, the new user has now been added. You are now ready to add this new user to your child's Nintendo Switch. For a step-by-step guide on how to do this, please refer to our how-to guide adding your child's account to the Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this how-to guide useful. For more how-to guides, please visit www.netangel.org. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share our YouTube videos.